This is going to be a real-world test view of the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI mic. You hear me? We're actually under studio lights. Let's see, a lot of studio lights along with some RGB LEDs. You see the sharpness, the clarity, the active track. It all looks really good, actually, guys. We're going to see exactly how this turns out when you guys see it. We're going to try to give you guys at least a minute of in studio, behind the scenes footage. Let's actually get some movement. Let's walk to the secondary studio. You're going to see how it shifts. Auto ISO is off, so and auto white balance is off. That's why the white looks crazy. Now we come into the secondary studio and now we have more light. We're still talking. Low light. All right. Oh, it's going crazy. You see that? I'm leaving this in here too, guys. I'm leaving this in here. All right. So low light active track is actually crazy, guys. It actually completely lost me here. Right. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that back on my face. There it goes. Right. We're back here. All right, and we're good. We're good. Let's get some detailed shots here. Random. What is this here? Blackmagic, Pocket 4K. It looks somewhat detailed. Okay. Secondary shot here. We have another random cinema rig. Sony A7 IV rig. All right. So let's see what else we have here. As a matter of fact, let's do the switch because I know this is something that people do. Gimbal rotation. Let's catch some detailed shots. It's super smooth, guys. It's super smooth. Super smooth. All right. Random rigs, guys. Right? Let's see what else we have here. And that's it, guys. Here, some color rendition. That's me. All right. I think it honestly looks good. I'm not even mad, guys. All right, so day one, they hit us with the update. The update was solid, no complaints here. And again, I'm just talking to basically also give you guys some audio directly from the mic, right? All right, I'll catch you guys later. A quick update for the Pocket. Guys, and I've had all the Pockets, okay? So keep this in mind. Let me put it back on my face. I'm gonna try not to do too many cuts in here so you guys can actually get just what it looks like completely. All right, let's come up a little bit. But yeah, so I think it looks good. At least on the screen, it looks very good. It looks very detailed. We're filming this in the 10-bit color profile. What is this? The D-Log M. And again, I'm trying to one take everything so you guys can actually get a full example of what semi-raw footage looks like. I may actually just throw like a quick color grade on it just to get great depth. Try to utilize a 10-bit. But all right, listen. You guys have an absolutely amazing day, guys. Quick test. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. If it looks good to you, go buy it, guys. I mean, I'm a content creator, so this is perfect for me. I can tell you this right now. And before we actually go outside with it itself, we're probably going to wait for the ND filters to come out because I'm not going outside with crazy shutter speeds and things like that, guys. If I'm going to use it, we're going to use it correctly, right? But all right, listen, you guys all have an absolutely amazing day. Enjoy your day thoroughly.